So before I show the Bluetooth example, let me do a quick recap of like the packages that we had in the Weston example, okay? I'll reinstall the Qt packages just for the sport of it. And right now, before like starting, it's 762, the package -L. We can see that we have like app, the base files. I don't really see Qt here, okay? But what I do see here is Weston. But I can also tell you, since now I do want to see all kind, I will show you all kind of thing like with some IP addresses as well, is that I do want to install the IP route 2 package. Maybe for fun also apt-get install, I think IP utils ping, something like this. Yeah. And also I will install PCI tools, or sorry. So it's probably tils. And I also want to do USB utils because I'm going to connect the USB with passthrough. So let's do USB utils. And just for fun, so right now we have this. Vim will add some more data. I can clean like the caches, but I don't really want to right now. And I will do two more things. I'll set password of root. And I will cheat a little bit and leave systemd system. And what I want to put here is, yeah, I mean, I'll do auto login. It will still let me put the password, but then I'll type a little bit less. So that's fine, like over the serial. I can also like get rid of like getty, just put it bin bash and then I'm done. Then I don't even need this login. But I want to make it like more, more visible. So let's do, I think it's auto login root. And that's good enough for me for now. Now, the other thing that we did were installing the Qt example, so I'll do that as well. But not before I also install DHCP client. I already know, for reasons that I will tell you later, that I also need SCP access. So I'll also take care of that. So let me do that, like SCP SSH. You can do it in no install recommends. SSH will also give me SCP. Okay. And now I'll install the Qt example. So yeah, that's quite a lot of dependencies, but let's do that. I'll do that and I'll pause. So having done that, that's the wrong one. So having done that, yeah, we're around this, which makes sense because in our previous demos we were at 1.2 gigs, and we still have a little bit of it's not mounted, this is why it doesn't work, of disk space to play with. So this is good and this is fine, and I can go and unmount this guy. It is so let me see where it's been taken. Maybe I opened another terminal. Yes, I did. So I press some shortcut. Now let me unmount it. Looks good. And just in case, I'll put it back as backup. And I probably won't use it. Excellent. So now that we've done it, let me go ahead and run a script. I will go over it like in the next video. USB passthrough is pretty much the same as the run fuller kernel. And it automatically plug in, and the password is this. And I have the IP utils, okay? I have the ls USB, which just says a root hub. I have lspci, which has all kinds of things as well. So here I actually connected like a couple of I connected a USB controller and bus here. Okay, this is my disk device, storage device, virtual.io. I have a bridge, and I have like all kind. I have like Ethernet. I have a display controller. This is why I had like DRM. And before I just didn't show these things, but we'll probably look at LS USB like in the next video. So having said that, let's just get some internet here. The IPA tool works, which is great. I will go to and run Weston. It works as well, which is also great. And you know what? I'll run it again. I think that in another video I mentioned that like the resolution that it just doesn't like set mode when you just run Weston like this. So if not, then I mentioned it now, and I'll run the example that I'm aiming to run. So now it's much bigger. I can run several windows, as you know. I don't really need to. This is my history right now, which is pretty good. It's pretty nice. I have scrolling, everything is fine. And the example will be a user user leap x86 Qt6 examples Bluetooth. I'll use the low energy scanner, okay, and yeah, so the UI works, which is fantastic. However, I don't have Bluetooth, I don't have any device. Writing or reading from the device resulted in an error. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. By the way, worry not, this application will also work if you use like the frame buffer platform and like Qt or the ETLFS. So in the next video, I'll start from here and I will connect this guy, where you will see that that this application actually works in QEMU.